The method you choose to print your t-shirt would require a specific type of paper. You need to research into the different types of printers that are available to you, and you will also need to research the type of paper that is specific to that printer. For a laser printer, you will need to have a laser heat transfer paper. And for your inkjet printers, you will need to have inkjet heat transfer papers. Don't make the mistake that I did. The mistake that I did that happened because I had inkjet heat transfer paper for my laser printer. So that's an issue. So as you can see, and depending, it could have been worse. So just ensure that you have the right paper for your printer. The next thing you need to ensure that you do, that you have good quality paper, because this paper that I bought on Amazon, I think it's from YOLO. It's the worst ever printing heat transfer paper that I've ever used. It won't come off. It's fused together. That's besides the point. So after we research all our paper, specific paper to our specific printers, you need to ensure that you have your heat press, and you need to also research the different dimensions. A bigger heat press will save you a lot of time, because when it's smaller, if you want to get a bigger fabric on there in terms of a man's fabric, then a man's t-shirt, then you'll be there all day trying to fit it. As you can see, it's just an A4. That's how big it is. So it really depends on what type of printing you're into. The next equipment you will need is a cutter. So I've researched that my vinyl cutter is on its way. So when it gets here on Wednesday, I will do an unboxing and I will let you know how it turned out. So when I did my research, I researched the printer and I researched it. So you have to be careful when you're researching, because sometimes you get information and it's not specific to what you want. The printer that I bought is not conducive to what I want to do. So now I am returning this one because the plug on it wasn't. You need to research as well to see if it's compatible in your country. So if you're in America, there's a different plug specific to your electric. Over here in the UK, it's a different plug. When I bought mine, I didn't know that it wasn't specific to my electrics. So then we had to use sorry, just taking it up a bit. We have to use a travel adapter, which is not conducive at all, and it will burn out eventually. So you need to research a lot when starting out a business. And if I don't convince you, I hope you get something from this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.